So, Namaskaram. Are you a bright student from a rural government school in Tamil Nadu? Do you dream of joining a top university but worry about college fees and hostel expenses? So, don't worry, you're in the right place. Listen closely because VIT University has a life changing opportunity just for you. So, through the STARS scheme, students from underprivileged backgrounds can actually study completely free, including tuition, hostel stay, food, and even basic medical care. Let's find out how you can benefit. First is, what is the VIT STAR scheme? So, VIT STAR scheme. The STAR scheme basically stands for support the advancement of rural students. So this is an initiative which is taken by VIT University to support the talented rural students who studied in government schools and they had come from financially weaker backgrounds. So the scheme basically helps these students to achieve what they truly deserve. Basically by providing them, first is 100% tuition fee waiver, second is free hostel accommodation and food, and third is the basic medical expenses. So all of these things are covered under the scheme. So yes, you heard that right. Everything is taken care of. So you can focus only on your studies and future. Now the second aspect is who can apply for this? What is the eligibility criteria? So to apply for the STAR scheme, you must meet the following eligibility criteria. Now the first thing is that you must have completed your schooling and your board exams in a rural government school. Important point here you have to note is that schools located in corporation, municipality, or even town panchayat areas are not eligible under this scheme. Then you must have studied the following subjects in your class 12th. Now the subjects are mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, commerce, accountancy, economics, and business mathematics. Then your family's annual income, it should be less than 2 lakhs and you must have a valid income certificate to prove this. Now the next aspect is selection process. So here's how students are basically selected for this scheme. So in each district of Tamil Nadu, the top 10 boys and top 10 girls from eligible rural government school will be shortlisted based on their plus 2 marks, that is class 12 marks. Then one boy and one girl from each district will be selected by VIT for admission under the STAR scheme. So one thing to note here is that the final admission is subject to approval by the VIT management only. Then the next aspect is what will you receive from this scheme? So if you're selected, VIT will take care of the following. First is your college fees for the full course. Second is free hostel stay with clean rooms and amazing facilities. Third is your nutritious meal every day. Fourth is basic medical treatment if you fall sick. So you will be learning at one of the India's top universities with students from all over the country and building a career for your future. Next aspect is your real stories and real dreams. So there are many students from farming families, from daily wage backgrounds, and even remote villages, and they have already transformed their life through this scheme. So they are now studying in engineering department, commerce science department, and even different departments with zero cost to the family. So with the right support, you can actually become the first graduate in your family. You can dream big and you can achieve even bigger. Then the next aspect is how to apply for this. So to apply, you have to visit the official website. I will put the link in the description of this video. Go and check that out. Then you have to basically fill all the details carefully and you have to attach your income certificate and your class 12 marks and whatever other documents that they will ask you. Then you can also take your headmaster's help if you want. So there is no fee here to apply. The process is basically completely free. So here the point is that do not let your dream stop because of money. So if you have the appropriate marks and this scheme will basically take care of everything. So tell your friends, tell your school, and apply today. Your journey from a village classroom to the top university starts now with the STAR scheme. by VIT Chennai. So if you like this video, please do like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel for more insights on legal, lifestyle, adulting, and more VIT content. Also, do not forget to share this so that it reaches to a lot of people who are from underprivileged background and they can actually make use of this opportunity. Thank you. See you in my next video.